It started out just being a project for a competition for the CIEF design build competition. Habitat for Humanity got involved because we actually needed a sponsor to pay for our hotel and lodging. They had to pull from all of their previous knowledge and actually all the practicing and just the work that we've done in the shop. They actually had to put it all to use in the field, and they got to actually see what it's like to actually work, basically like work on what a construction site would be like.
What we had to do is build a shed within a time limit, and we were going to be judged on multiple things such as safety and how fast we got things done, and if we were working good together and whatnot.
You really have to use basically carpentry skills like the basics and team building and communication skills.
So we had been thinking about ways to enrich the ITC carpentry program, ways that they could help, ways that they could get real world experience. They mentioned the competition, and I thought it was a perfect way to initiate our working relationship.
Whenever I learned more about what Habitat for Humanity does for people, I felt very fortunate that we were able to, that our hard work was going to like a good cause.
It's big. It's very big, because moving forward from just the project to moving forward, we plan on doing it, being able to build more sheds for the Habitat for Humanity. As a whole, I was very proud of my students. They showed a lot of grit, a lot of determination to get the project done. And at the end of the day, I mean, I think that their end goal, their end product, is going to someone that would benefit them in the future.